Good morning students. Welcome to computer class of 9th standard. Today we will continue with the chapter 7 Input in Java. As in the last video we have discussed the practical programs. Today we will discuss errors and different type of errors, and this we will discuss through page number 141, 142, 143, 144 and 145. So start with definition. What are errors? Are mistakes in a program that prevent it from its normal working. Means if there is any kind of error is there in program, the program will not execute or not give the output. The next term is debugging. The process of finding and eliminating errors is called debugging. Finding means to search and eliminating means to remove. Now we will discuss the errors in detail. So in programming terms, errors are often referred to as bugs. Bugs means small mistakes. It is very common to make mistakes while typing a program or developing its logic. Means the different kind of mistakes we can do in a program, like spelling mistake we can say, or mistakes related to the brackets. Now there are three types of errors. Number 1, syntax errors. Number 2, runtime errors, and number 3 is logical errors. Now we will discuss all these errors in detail. The number 1 is syntax errors. Syntax error occur due to the fact that the syntax of the programming language is not followed correctly. See, any spelling mistake is there, any misuse of word is there, or any punctuation mark is missing. See, in this program there are number of syntax errors. See, PBLIC. Firstly, the public spelling is wrong. U is not there. Static void hello. Round bracket start. We have started the round bracket but not closed. Now, curly bracket start. Int count is equal to 0. There should be semicolon at the end of every statement, so it is missing over here. System.out.print round bracket start double quote start hello, but here we have not closed the double quotes, so that is also a kind of syntax error. Next line, system.out.print round bracket start z single quote close. Here we have closed the single quote but not started it, and semicolon is also not there. So these are some common syntax error that we can do while typing a program. Now see, in this program class compile no syntax error. So in this program we have written our program correctly. There is no spelling mistake in our program. Properly brackets are closed. Semicolon should be there. So there is no any kind of mistake, so program will run correctly. Next we will discuss the runtime errors. Runtime errors occurs during the execution of a program. Sometimes the program may compile successfully but may not run properly as planned or may not execute at all. The reason is, see, in this program there is divide by 0 error. See, we have written int x is equal to 3, comma, y is equal to 5 and z is equal to 5 semicolon. Int result semicolon. Result is a variable, in that output will be stored. Result is equal to x upon y minus z. So the value of y is 5 and z is also 5. So 5 minus 5 results in 0. So x upon 0. So this is a kind of divide by 0 error that will not execute the program. See, the next is, in this program string name is equal to Joe, int roll number is equal to R12. So the data type of roll number we are taking int, that is integer value, but the value we are storing here is a kind of string value. So it will give the error, that is enter a non-integer value. So this kind of errors like divide by 0 or entering a wrong value results in runtime error. The next are logical errors. Logical errors occur due to the wrong logic applied by a programmer or a user. Sometimes user may want to add two numbers and by mistake put the multiply sign. See, when program compiles and run without errors but produces an incorrect result. This type of error is caused by mistake in the program logic, which is often due to human errors. See, in this program, we have to find a min variable that will store a minimum value. So we have written int a is equal to 7, b is equal to 17 semicolon, int min semicolon, min is equal to a less than b question mark, a colon b semicolon, means if a is less than b then a will be execute, and if a is not less than b then b will be execute. But whatever will be the result, that will be stored in a variable min. So we have written system.out.println b. Here we have to write the variable name min, but by mistake we have written b. So error is returning wrong variable min should be returned. See the next logical error, using operators without understanding their precedence and associativity. Precedence means order of evaluation and associative means how they relate to each other. For example, a plus b upon c semicolon upon means divide. So according to precedence, firstly divide sign will be evaluated, then plus sign. So if we want to evaluate a plus b firstly, then we have to write like a plus b in round brackets upon c semicolon. So this kind of errors relate to logical errors that give the wrong output. Clear students? So students, today we have discussed errors and different type of errors, and the definition that we have discussed is errors and debugging. So students, revise the topic carefully, follow the example and explanation that we have discussed, and in the next video we will come with next topic. Thank you very much.